What's up, guys? How you doing? Nick here with some raw day trading, and let's go over some trades because today was what's a better word to use? A nightmare, annoying. How about annoying? Today was annoying. My favorite way to characterize it. It was a challenging day, to be sure. I was at I did extremely well in recognizing dangerous situations. I did. I give myself a B plus on managing risk, and um, managing. Sorry, picking zits off my back. Attracted, right? Yeah, and then trading wise, I did about a C. ASST asked. I got caught up mid range again. DEEE caught mid range, and then I took the lows. Oh, let's see, where is it going to be? I think it's. Ooh, okay. So this is interesting. The at the open, this stock that I was trying to trade, JZ. I was like, this is the one. I think I got this. Let's go. Let's hit it. I felt comfortable, and okay, so I was hitting this, and then as I'm hitting this with 5,000 shares, my orders keep getting rejected, like right before, like I would hit it, and I'm not able to get in, and the stock just goes without me, and I get in with like a, fucking, I don't know, smaller size, and then I buy the ask, but what ends up happening is that because I can't use market orders on this, I'm just like way more cautious with it. I can't bail out normally. I have to use, my DOS platform to execute through. So that was all that. Anyways, all that being said, that was really annoying because it did what I thought it would do. Although it did also fail. ASST starts going. I don't even know how to trade this stock. Yeah, that's crazy, right? Crazy move. Fucking annoying. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna actually skip through it because there's a lot to cover. ASST goes up again. It's the third day of the move or second day or something. I don't know. What is it? Let's see. Yeah, it's day number 2, and I thought this would totally fail at the open. It actually held. So continuation holding. That is something to note. And then VEEE, really wild name here. Yeah, I'm sorry. I'm a little bit brain dead right now. Jay-Z ends up doing a nice move to VWAP. Okay. I don't get that. That's fine. GPUS was moving. I didn't want to trade this. I just thought it's the third day. I didn't want to play. ASST. trying to think of something to. Oh, Zap. Okay, so this was the thing that was interesting. So this Zap trade. So I got up to, I don't know if Zap is a foreign stock or not. Okay, so Zap. It pops up to point 0.8 here, then pops up to 93, and it's a pretty strong move there. And I'm up 180 on it modestly, just playing with small size basically. I do not trust this stock. But then this sell-off gets a little bit intense. I'm like, okay, it's got to give. I'm trying to anticipate the bids here, and I fail. Get out, okay. And then it pins to the halt level down. I'm like, okay, I'm not going to take that. The halt level then moves down again, and it pins again, and it comes off of it. And so it's kind of chasing the halt level down, and so that's where I could have just been like, look, I got to wait for this to close. This is a little bit ridiculous, but I don't. So I buy it there. Only 2,500 shares. So, like, again, not big, not crazy. And then it starts to, the ass starts to stop, and then I'm holding into this haul down. And it's just, yeah. It's just, yeah. Yeah. So I'm in the halt down. And let's fast forward here. It was kind of signaling that it might want to pop here. And I was thinking maybe it pops up, taps VWAP, and then fades something. Kind of just like, you know. Forgive me, my brain is a little bit loosey-goosey right now, and I'm trying to tighten it up. It's been a long day. But I was thinking that it would bounce from here. Maybe go a little dip and rip, or like rip up and then maybe go down. But I was thinking at least a retest of VWAP and then a fail. Or even just a curl. And I was kind of positioned for that. So what ends up happening, though, is it pops up to basically where I bought. And it hesitates a second. I'm like, I'll see this through. I want to see it. I want to see this, see if it wants to go. But then now it's below the halt level. Now it's going way down. And I'm like, ooh, okay. So now if it goes below that level that it's bounced at, and it looks like there's a bid here at the 50, 65. But then now it starts creeping under, and I should be cutting. Oh, well, look, it looks like a little bit of support there. Now it's 50, 60, 66. You know, it looks like it's trying to be strong here. There is orders going through, but now it's reversing. I should be cutting right there. And I'm late to cut. I'm holding. I'm like, what's going on? And I lose. How much do I lose there? I lose a good amount. 67 to 59 with 2,500 shares. Okay, it was not great, you know. But this had dipped probably just too much. It had flushed too much, too consistently, too expansively, too much volume, whatever. And yeah. But basically, I got to take a few more trades. I get down to minus 150 on it or something like that. And I was like, whoa, I was up 180 on this. Now I'm down 150. Red on the day now. This is stupid. What am I doing? And I was very angry. And I ended up finishing the day down 120, 130, whatever. But this stock pops up to 93 from whatever. I don't even know where it was at, 40 cents or so. And then it settles basically, I think, red on the day. It settles at like 35 or something. So either just flat or red on the day. Super wild. So basically 300% or something. Wait, is it 200%? No. Let's see. At the highs, it was up 100% to up 10%. So I don't know. Take that for what it's worth. Full round trip, very consistent round trip. You don't always see that. A lot of times there's a fight around it. A lot of bids trying to catch it, like kind of I was. I did good in not like snowballing it. I got really frustrated, and I put into place this new process that I have out, like as in terms of personally how I manage the like when I'm frustrated. I just do push-ups till I'm tired. I did a good amount of push-ups, and I'm pretty sore. But I gotta get that. I gotta put that frustration to use. You know, I gotta get the body right instead of just like letting it degrade me, because I just feel helpless. Helpless. Anyways, I feel retarded. I feel so retarded here. Yeah, AST was really difficult to trade. VEE was really difficult to trade. I recognize this. So this is where I did really good. Recognize it, and if you look at the share size that I'm trading with, it's with 100 shares. I'm down 40 cents on 100 shares, but it's still only 100 shares, so it was, $40. I wasn't trading it like a normal trade like I would do I was relying too much on the level 2 and these like psychological price levels, which ended up being in the wrong spots because I wasn't paying attention to the range and what the range was doing. And so those, I just need to focus more on the chart and the actual range. No. And trade these higher price names the same like I would trade a lower price name. Because for example, like I wouldn't trade a 40-cent stock right here trying to bust it above 50 cents for no reason. Like trying to get that, like at the 49 cent to break above 50 and like catch that. Like I know there's going to be too many algorithms and too many traders trying to like get in and get out around that area for me to get it. I would wait till, levels are broke. There's a pattern on the chart. With the volume, I would wait till something significant showed itself before I traded it. And I think what I was getting faked on, there's a great, I'm listening to Trade Mindfully by Gary Dalton, I believe it is. But there's a great thing where he's like, traders, when they're not trading well, they tend to fall for saliency, which is things that look good, instead of acknowledging the base rates. All right. There was honestly so much information today. I don't know what to focus on and to prioritize to study. So that's one problem. I got a couple hours I can study here, but Uh, yeah, but, do you hear that? It's my neighbor. I really don't like that. The vehicle. It's just so loud. Anyways, that's it. Today was just very, very irritating and frustrating. At one point, I was up 200 to being down 100. Whatever, say la vie. Uh, Not a meaningful move in either direction. Um, but But that's it. I'm going to finish this video. I'm going to do some studying, brush my teeth, and I will catch you all tomorrow. Stay safe out there. It is a little bit wild. Day trading is risky. Don't do this at home. My results are not typical. A lot of traders trading with might have lost a lot of money today. So um, that's it. I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Bye.